Good afternoon, period 2. Look at this. This is your lesson from far away. Your topic, writing in your math notebook, independent and dependent variables. And the essential question is, how do you identify independent and dependent variables? In your word bank, there are 2 words you need to write, independent and dependent. Independent is the variable that you are choosing to change, or the input. Dependent is the variable that is affected by the one that you changed, or the output. Here's an example. When you are given values for x and y, x is always independent because we are putting a value into that number. Y, that's our output. This is dependent on what we put in for x. If I write this equation, y equals 2x plus 1, and I choose some values, I'll make a little table here, x and y. If I choose the numbers 1, 2, and 3 for x, I can figure out what values I'll get for y. So if x is 1, 2 times 1 plus 1, you get 3. 3 equals 2 times 1 plus 1. But if I put in 2, I'm choosing the value for this, so it's independent. 2 times 2 plus 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, so y is 5. If I choose 3 for the value of x, 2 times 3 plus 1, my answer is 7. The independent number is 3 and the dependent is 7. So if I were to make ordered pairs from this, I could graph values for this actual equation on a graph, choosing my x's and y's, because my x's are independent and my y's are dependent. When we have a situation and we have to identify, we might have something like this. I'm changing markers. All right. I will load bricks in my truck. To make the weight of the truck increase. Okay, independent variable, dependent variable. Let's see if we can tell which would be which here. I will load bricks in my truck to make the weight of the truck increase. What am I controlling? What am I choosing to change here? I'm choosing to load bricks. That's the independent variable. How many bricks I load will change what happens next, right? The more bricks I load, the effect is the weight of the truck will increase. So the dependent variable would be the truck weight. I will load bricks in my truck to make the weight of the truck increase. So the independent variable is load bricks. Dependent is the truck weight, because the weight of the truck now will depend on how many bricks I have loaded. Now we're going to see if you can do some of these same things.